Welcome back to the channel. If you're into creating digital products, passive income, and growing your online business, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing a Canva hack that will literally save you hours, maybe even days, when designing digital products. Whether you're selling on Etsy, Gumroad, Shopify, or just want to speed up your workflow, this tip is a total game changer. So grab a coffee, hit that like button, and let's dive right in. Let's be real. Creating digital products can be fun, but it can also get super time-consuming, especially if you're building planners, workbooks, journals, templates, or social media kits from scratch. You know the routine: copying elements, resizing text boxes, aligning pages one by one, trying to stay consistent across 30-plus pages. Sound familiar? Here's the thing. Canva wasn't built for long-form products originally, but this hack unlocks a whole new level of productivity. All right, here's the Canva hack step by step. This method combines 3 underrated tools inside Canva. 1. Page duplication. 2. Element locking. 3. Creating master layout elements. Let's break it down. Step 1. Design a master page. Create your first page with your core layout. Add your header, footer, page number, or any other elements that will repeat. Examples: title box, section divider, page number box, branding bar. Step 2. Lock. Those elements, select all your repeating elements. Right-click, click, lock. This prevents accidental movement. Trust me, this will save you tons of frustration later. Step 3. Duplicate pages. Now just duplicate that page as many times as you need. 20, 30, even 50 times. Each new page keeps your locked master layout intact, so now you're just adding the unique content for each page, like prompts, charts, or checklists. Boom! No more rebuilding each page manually. Want to take it to the next level? Use Canva folders to keep all your brand elements in one place: logos, icons, photos, fonts. Then use styles in Canva Pro to instantly apply your brand colors and font to the entire project. So if you want to rebrand a 30-page product in one click, you can. New niche? New color palette? One click. Done. Examples of editable templates or products on Etsy or Gumroad. Here are just a few real products that this hack is perfect for. Digital planners, daily, weekly, monthly formats. Mindset journals. Each page can follow the same format, but with unique prompts. Workbooks or ebooks. With consistent chapter headers. Business templates, like client onboarding kits or social media content calendars. All of these benefit from consistency and efficiency. And that's exactly what this Canva hack gives you. Common mistakes to avoid. Examples of disorganized Canva files or messy layers. Now, here's what not to do. Don't skip locking elements, otherwise you'll constantly move things by mistake. Don't design every page from scratch. Not only is it slow, it creates inconsistency. Don't overload your design. Keep it clean, readable, and user-friendly. Remember, simplicity scales. All right, so that's the Canva hack that saved me hours designing digital products, and I hope it helps you too. If you found this useful, do me a favor. Like the video, subscribe for more digital product hacks. Comment below with your favorite Canva tip or what product you're working on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.